If you're looking for the best, inexpensive in price, yet great value, advent calendar, this is the one to get. And isn't the picture on the front adorable? Just beautiful. I have always said that Trader Joe's is the advent calendar that is the best one to get if you're on a limited budget. $20, 12 days, that's $1.67 a day, and all the products are great and amazing and wonderful. Let's take a look at what is in this year's curated calendar. Oh, we're getting a little bougie over here. It says Beverly Hills, so hey. It's a hair mask. I don't know what the scent is. They really don't specify, yet there's enough in here that unless your hair is really, really long, you should be able to get several uses out of this hair mask. And I'm looking to see, yes, it is 0.5 ounces. So there's definitely more than one use in this packet. I can smell this one through the plastic. Me too. This is the Rosemary Mint Bath Fizzer. I like to put these in a small basin and soak my feet, at the risk of TMI. But oh, this smells very nice. This is going to put a little pep in your step. I will have to remember to say here that sometimes these types of bath fizzers, bath bombs, whatever you're going to call them, can make the tub slippery. So be careful on that one. And it's not just this brand, it's all across the board. But Rosemary Mint Bath Fizzer from Trader Joe's, 1.4 ounces. Yes, worth the price. This is a cleansing face balm at 0.5 ounces. It has a safety seal, so I can't get a sniff on this one, yet you can't go wrong. $1.67. Okay, maybe a hair overpriced, but overall, very nice. This is a hydrating rice facial essence. This definitely looks intriguing. I don't know if I've tried anything like this before. I'm not sure if it's scented because there's a safety seal, yet there's enough in here. Now, granted, it is small. It is 0.33 fluid ounces, so there's not oodles, yet there's enough to get more than one use out of this. It is a rose glow facial oil. Very nice for the winter months when you don't necessarily want to self-tan, or at least I don't want to self-tan, yet a nice little facial glow is always nice around the holidays. This is a stone fruit scented body butter. I don't know what a stone fruit smells like. I guess I'm going to find out when I try the body butter. Oh, me too. I hope it makes my hoofs nice and comfortable. This is the Fireside Velvet scented body butter. I did get a sniff on this one, and I have to admit, for my preferences, it's a bit on the perfumey side, which also surprised me because normally Trader Joe's doesn't have perfumed. Yeah, this is the Orange Ginger Moisturizing Hand Balm. I look forward to giving this a try. That sounds like a lovely combination of scent, especially for the holiday season. This is a lip balm in cranberry orange. That sounds scrumptious. And I'm not a big cranberry person, yet cranberry and orange mixed together, that does sound nice. Oh, I want to try it too. Okay, we can share. Forest Fig and Blackberry Hand Cream. That's a different combination of scents. They are branching out with a good variety this season. I'm pleased with this. And $1.67, not bad for a tube. Does it give us the size? Yes, it does. 0.5 ounces. And what I have found in the past with their hand creams is a little bit goes a long way. So this will last. It doesn't get used up in just 1 or 2 uses. This will last. Oh, I want to try this one. I want to try this one. It will make my fur nice and well scented. Candy cane scented shimmer wash, body wash. And it is 1 ounce. And yeah, you probably could use it up in 1 use, or you probably could get 2 uses out of this. Good. 1 for me and 1 for you. Or both for me. And for their big final item at a 12-day calendar, we have a sunscreen with a tinted glow. How very nice to see a sunscreen, as well as one with a tinted glow for the holiday season. Illuminating Daily Facial Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 40 Tinted Shimmery Glow at 1 ounce. So again, this should last several uses. Anne has decided that her 2 favorites from this calendar are both moisturizers. Yes, I went with the Orange Ginger Ultra Moisturizing Hand Balm and the Stone Fruit Scented Body Butter. And I picked that one primarily because I'm curious to know what stone fruit smells like. What did you see that you liked? Comment down below. I'm a nosy camel. I want to know all the details. Do you get this one? These sell out fast. I've been calling Trader Joe's for the last couple of weeks to see when they would be placing their order so I could be there ready to get it. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, check out another video. We got fun stuff going on this year. So stick around on our channel. We hope to see you soon and thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.